Alright, so this is I'm in school called First Institute. Um I've been going to this school for like a couple months now, and I just got done with 101. No, 102. I think this might be the first day of 102. I'm not too sure, but it's pretty cool. 103 is when I'll get a new camera. Don't worry, I'll record that too as another camcorder vid, and then maybe start uploading videos from that camera to my phone, to my channel. So, yeah. But it's pretty cool, I guess. It's 7:41 and 7:52 now. So I might go to class in a few. So, yeah.